Okay, here's the quick update. We're in Mammoth now, spending 2 days here before Yosemite because you need timed entries into Yosemite, which we have. We're just a little early. And we're on a day hike here, going to Skeleton Lake just for a quick dip in the water. And yeah, we're hoping we won't get lost this time.
Beautiful.
Upside down.
Beautiful spot, people. Look behind, look around, be present. This is Skeleton Lake.
Skeleton.
Nice sun,
Skeleton.
Cali sun coming in. Coming at you live. Joseph Poli.
Coming at you live.
Remixes.
All right, what's good? We are in Mammoth right now. Fridge is set at 35 degrees. We're gonna be making some chilaquiles right now. Typically, I would say a breakfast food maybe, but in this case, we're just gonna eat it for dinner. So I'm gonna be grabbing, oh, actually don't need that. I'm gonna be grabbing, what do we need? Do we have everything? Nope, that's just
String cheese!
Okay, I think, where's the, oh, I gotta grab the chips real quick.
Sorry for the spotty filming. I got mosquitoes all over me. Not the invention.
Hey, you gotta put that back.
Patent pending, people. Right
Patent
there.
pending. Custom.
Patent pending.
Reach out for
1 in a million.
prices.
Where am I following you?
Okay, if you want to follow me, yeah, come in here. So this is our trailer. Part of our storage, come on, kids. Part of our storage here also has
Nachos.
Tortilla chips. Okay.
Coming at you live and in 0.5.
Ooh. Hit 'em. All right, so we're making chilaquiles tonight. We don't have a blender, but normally we would start off by getting a fine consistency for a salsa. Should be any sort of salsa you want, really. Whatever your preference is. This is cute as soggy nachos. I look angry, it's because a bug just flew in my ear. So we got our tortilla chips here. Pretty key that you buy thick cut tortilla chips. I don't know what that means, but like, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, thick and crispy. Here we go. Because if you just get like Tostitos, like the flour type, I'd say, it'll just become soggy mess and you won't really have any structure to your dish. But we're gonna.
I've never made this, but I agree.
First of all, what am I talking about? We're gonna be cooking.
Cut.
We're gonna be.
No, you're good. You're good. Keep going.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Okay, so in our rendition of chilaquiles, we are gonna be using some al pastor meat, and we're gonna
Give them a
grill
little
that
up
up
close.
first.
That meat looks just nice.
That is gonna be a great taste.
Probably a game changer.
Hopefully a game changer on a rendition here. So we're gonna throw that in here and get back to you. Gonna throw a little bit of oil on this. We're not gonna do all this al pastor because it's kind of just gonna be a topping. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Cook this all up.
Let's get a POV of you. Oh yeah.
Do a slow-mo if you want it. Okay, just keep hitting my hand.
Yeah, that's looking good. Trust me. These are good shots.
Okay. So we're gonna find a way to save this. We'll put that up there for now. Next, we're actually gonna do all of this in one pan here. Sorry, Pablo is acting up in the car.
One pot chilaquile.
Pablo's acting up in the car, so
He threw up.
we've just been babying him back here, so.
All right, she's live.
We're cooking up the al pastor here. Once this cooks, we're gonna throw on the tortilla chips, or our salsa actually. Bring that up to a little boil. Off to the side here. We're gonna throw our salsa in the pan. This was the best bang for our buck here, so we're just gonna do it with a little green jalapeno salsa.
Maybe for the same effect, you should smack the phone.
Oh yeah. Get it all out of there. This looks like when I strolled up on Cole in the woods this morning. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this.
Looks like a big old thing of diarrhea. This is how you save,
Can you hit that for me?
Yep.
Good.
Good.
Maybe. We'll try.
Do or do not. There is no try.
So you want to get all that salsa out of there?
Usually you can cap it if you want to get like a little bit better of a result, but this is still good.
Where's the cap? Here we go.
There we go.
That might have been a little too much, to be honest, but...
So now it should look like Shrek's... Shrek's what? Why'd you laugh at that, man?
Oh, you got me, man.
What is going on, guys? Huge update. Joe, tell him.
So Cole was driving today. And yeah, so we don't have any eggs to top this on.
In terms of eggs, we have no eggs. So we did a little bit of a hard boil back here. So we're just eating salsa and green and
Thank God we have the al pastor to spruce it up, because who knows?
let us tell you.
Okay.
Aesthetic my ass. We just dumped a whole thing of fucking salsa in the back on some burners.
Yeah, and it's gonna look good.
Oh, moth might have just went in our chips. Get out of there. Oh, got him on the chip. All right, so here's an update in case you guys haven't been watching in a couple of minutes here. We have no eggs to make this, and that's an essential part of the meal. But what did we do? Sit and mope around? No.
Yes, sir.
Job finished? Job not finished. So what we did essentially is put some beans and corn into the salsa. You can see that boiling back here, simmering. We got Joe and the cherry tomatoes right now, and yeah, I mean, this thing's gonna be pretty sweet. We'll have to show you guys the end result, but right now, just remember that you can't ever have it perfect in life, and you gotta adapt, and improve.
We also have a block of feta, which we are just gonna kind of throw in there because why not? You can do whatever you want to do. We're at that step. We're just gonna be throwing our
Chips in liberally.
I'm gonna start with that, get those under, add some more as we go, but you just kind of want to turn it over.
Just get them.
Make sure that they're all
Meeting each other.
All right, so Cole's putting the main cab into bench mode right now so that we can watch Stranger Things while eating our chilaquiles. And I'm gonna finish up here. I'm gonna do a little plate for you guys, but right now this is what it's looking like. Very good consistency going so far. So added the al pastor. Gonna dish it in. Oh yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Look at that, folks.
Whew.
Here you
All
go.
right, we're gonna eat this in the cab. We'll see you guys in there. There we go.
Brother.
A little bit of bugs. A little bit of bugs.
A little bit of a moth in my face. Oh, flying around.
Joe doesn't like moths.
I mean, who does? But first bite.
Pretty cool. Airplane. Mmm. Smacking.
Cut the cams. This show is over.
All right, I'm cutting them. First bite reaction, Joe's Chilaquiles. Oh, dripping a little bit. That is some mean food, dude. That is really good, actually. Really good.
Hit the nay
Whoa.
real quick.
Oh. Maybe with the...
Get sturdy with it.
Oh, yep, we'll cut that out. A little bit of Stranger Things with the chile al pastor. El Pastor and Stranger Things. Good rip.
Chile.
All right, another new campsite. We're in Mammoth Lakes, California, which you guys have heard 300 times today. Different campsite, different time we're throwing down. He's hiding, a little camera shy. We're gonna go in with these potats. Okay, just really waiting on these two, sorry. Then we're gonna do some spam, it's gonna be weird, but stay with me. All right, get those potats seasoned up nice. Don't be afraid of the seasoning, just get buck wild with it. Get your grade A off-brand spam, look at that. Beautiful. Make sure these potats are getting nice and brown. Do a couple flips, trying to do this with my non-dominant hand, by the way. Get a little color on them. All right, I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for the spam. Understandably so, but please, just take a trip through the culinary world with a little bit of spam and it'll show you the power. But we're ready to add it right now, so.
I think that was illegal.
All right, now that we got the red wine poured, we're gonna add our spam, dice in nice little chunks, along with the onion. Let's see how good of a, you know, that wasn't too bad. It's not bad. Not pictured and forgotten. Black beans, corn. Throw it in your mix. After you get that stuff brown though, make sure you got some, signs of character on that spam. Because you want some that's nice steam. You want something that's gonna have a little bit of a crunch to it. Helps with the texture, along with the potatoes. Make sure you get them browned out, nice and ready to go. Fudge. Damn, that hurt. But damn, that's good. All right. Final stage here. We've been letting everything sit for a while. It's thinking we put some cheese on a tortilla, and you guys might be at this point be like, this dude's making it up as he goes. You're absolutely correct. I have no idea what I was doing with this meal this whole time, but it seemed good. Joe's gonna taste try after we get this assembled. Ooh. You're loaded. Don't be shy.
Are you gonna try and fold this?
No, you gotta fold. This man makes more Mexican food, so.
Oh, what's this packed?
Believe.
I gotta get everything on there in the middle a little bit more. Okay.
Believe. Pull back. Find your edges.
Oh no, it's gonna rip.
No.
Just take a bite of
Okay.
it. Ready? Oh, this is
It's not gonna be that
crazy.
hot. Listen to that crunch.
Very good. It's just a hodgepodge, Can't go wrong with that.
That's what we do out here.
In a little bit of a burrito form, but
All right, we're gonna get the next one done here. See you guys. Kind of got
Get
the
in the
nice,
light. Gordito crunch wrap. No, I'm saying stand in the light.
Oh, my mouth are hot from Takis. That's why I'm,
Okay, just go. Don't get in the light.
I like that. It works for a camp meal. Folks, get on spam. Do it. Trust.